My mom and I have lost over 70 pounds collectively, and these are my healthier, low-carb Pop-Tarts. And all you need is rice paper, a little bit of jam, one small healthier shortbread cookie, and then blueberries. Wrap it up, brush with a little bit of egg wash, and air fry until crispy. Dust with powdered sugar, and follow for more. This watermelon carpaccio is so good, I've made it 4 times this week. Let's go. Cut a piece of watermelon into a thick rectangle, slice it nice and thinly, add it to a plate with hot honey, feta, crushed walnuts, and mint. Enjoy, and don't forget to follow for more. I've lost 30 pounds, and frozen sour grapes with hot honey have become my favorite weight loss dessert. And all I need is grapes, a little bit of lime juice, citric acid to make them sour, give them a toss, add the tahini, and freeze. Top with hot honey, and follow for more. This is the only summertime salsa recipe you need, also known as Texas caviar, and my take on it. Let's go. In a bowl, add the dressing, which is olive oil, white balsamic vinegar, lime juice, honey, or agave. Salt to taste and give it a mix. Add the mangoes, peppers, tomatoes, corn, beans, and parsley or cilantro. Give it a toss, enjoy, and follow for more. I bet you didn't know that a creamy cheese board is better than a charcuterie board. Let's go. I swirl on my creamy goat cheese onto my board, sprinkle with lemon zest, sea salt, a little fig jam, fresh figs, hot honey, and walnuts for crunch. Enjoy and follow for more. If you want to eat and live like an Italian, make Italian sushi. Let's go. Start by layering the prosciutto, add in some arugula microgreens, sun-dried tomatoes, burrata, and balsamic glaze. Now you can roll it up, cut into pieces, and don't forget to follow for more. If you haven't tried Mexican hot dogs, you are missing out on the greatest viral trend. All you have to do is add hot dogs to a pan with oil, jalapenos, tomatoes, and onions, and saute and cook them really well. You can then butter the buns and brown them as well. Now all you have to do is assemble, add cheese on top, and don't forget to follow for more. This is the best 20-minute lasagna soup. Let's go. Add oil to a pot, any ground meat of choice, break it up, let the water evaporate. Add onions, garlic, and celery, give it a stir. Add seasonings to taste, tomato paste, tomato sauce, and stir. A cheese rind is optional. Now add the water and break up the pasta. Give it a stir, let that go for 15 minutes. Top it off with fresh ricotta and follow for more. On Sundays, we make my 5-ingredient, no-knead, no-effort bread. Let's go. In a bowl, add the first 3 ingredients and let that activate. If this doesn't happen, start that step all over. This is the gluten-free flour I'm using. I'm adding it to my bowl with salt and giving it a stir. Gradually add in your liquid until a thick, sticky dough. Cover and let it rest at room temperature for 5 hours. Flour your counter, pour out your dough, flour the top of the dough, no kneading, just shape it. Add it to any baking dish lined with parchment paper, put it in the oven, and then turn the oven on. Bake covered for 40 minutes and uncovered for 30. Enjoy and follow for more. If you have 1 banana left over and a few minutes to spare, you can make the viral banana milk latte. All you need is milk, banana, a pinch of salt, and vanilla. Give that a blend, pour it over your favorite coffee, and follow for more.